Yeah, all right, mate. Let's look at DGB here. Now, it's very similar to all of these coins at what I think is going to happen. And I mean, the chart here, if you look at the 2 week chart, you can see that we are forming almost an identical pattern to this. So the thing is, a new 2 week candle is going to be extremely important. You know, we have the inside bar here with the inside bar. And I love to play these where we dip down below the inside bar and then pop back up. It's a fantastic setup and can often give huge bounces. Now we also let me zoom in. I was going to say we had one there, but maybe not quite. What we had here was a bit of an inside bar, but it did pierce above, so it wasn't the valid pattern. But we had an inside bar showing a little bit of extra strength, and then we opened up and we powered higher. Now these weren't inside bars, but anyway, you get the picture. They are power. Here's one. Here's one here actually. Yes. There's another one. Perfect. Inside bar right here, and then the next candle we pierced below it and pumped higher. Okay, so I think the same thing is going to happen with DGB next week. I think that we are forming a bit of a pattern, you know, like this, that we can have a big green candle, but we will likely come down and come down and stop hunt it, or come down and have a double bottom, kind of that sort of thing. And that's when I think is going to be buys. Now I know there is a nice bounce yesterday. I have not FOMO'd into the market yet. I still think that this setup here, this potential setup, can be extremely powerful for the market. And this is really mostly where I would like to be buying most of these coins. I know that when things bounce, we get FOMO. I still get FOMO after 15, 16 years of trading, but you know, I don't act on it. I didn't act on the FOMO. I seen everything bouncing, but I knew that it was the Federal Reserve thing. It was a sell the rumor, buy the news. So everybody freaked out for 3 or 4 days waiting on this, and as soon as the news started to come out, everybody started buying it. And to be honest, I mean, in my head, I had thought that might happen, but I didn't buy, and I kind of missed out on that bounce. So, but not to worry. Like, I mean, instead of FOMOing in, I think there's still room here to have a beautiful trade in something like this. I mean, if we get the similar pattern here like this on a lot of coins, and a lot of coins are setting up like this, well, we can still make a lot of money over the next month. See, like if we get two 2 week candles to the upside, you can make a lot of money on that. So at this point, I'm not going to FOMO into this inside bar. I like DGB, but again, you know, we need to see a setup like this.